Setting out the setbacks. Hello, I'm Anthony Miller. Names mentioned, but it's not, he says, a blame game. Deep Joy making a winning start. Things, however, not panning out quite as he'd hoped. And now telling the raw truth.
If you have to step on a toe, step on yours, innit? How you decide to go about it.
So what's the state of your toes? A lot of people have stepped on there.
I mean, we're just trying to put the two in the people in.
Former dancehall talent show winner, the latest to offload frustrations around his journey in the music business. Deep Joy speaking, as he sees it, the raw truth. The lyrics about hopes raised, then dashed, money wasted, career mishandled. And he mentions names, but denies blaming anyone. Social media responding, and the 2012 Magnum King of Dancehall happy to ride the wave.
Well, everybody has an artist dream to do great things, dream to tour the world, dream to set a mark for yourself. As it relates to Magnum, it propelled Deep Joy name to a household level. And then you don't know, we start out by working with Rockstone Media. And basically, we get we name out there, but there's a lot more that could have been done.
He made a name with Life Goes On and some other tracks.
Right after Magnum was signed to Rockstone Media, which is Sirani and Julian, there wasn't no push, that humph, that push to say, yo, this is the artist we represent, this is the face, we're branding this, we're packaging it, and we're pushing it forward. That driving force wasn't there. So basically, I started doing my thing by myself.
What do you imagine could have been done to give you more of a push?
Branding is very important for artists. You know? You just need a body, a team that is saying you.
We born to do greatness. Greatness is the power inside.
His next link, Cartel producer TJ.
But at the time, TJ give the impression like him never have an artist, him never work with nobody. When him go so boom now and say, yo, Deep Joy, time now and we go so, yeah, sign and seal. We think say so. You get me? But him never make me know say him and him full. Cause if you really work with the dancehall 2-pack, your hand full. So I think the same thing happen, whereby you just think that the talent can just do it by itself. No branding, no PR run, nothing at all. Me wanna look on it and say a bad luck. Sometimes I look on life and you have to take responsibility for your own action. You know? Remember say me sign it. So at the end of the day, me sign it, me see it now go the way where me think it would have go. So me decide say alright then, null and void.
Is it possible that the DJ is a bad judge of his own impact and the quality of what he's putting out at a particular point? Somebody else is making a more business calculation.
That is right too, you know, business calculation, but at the end of the day, you come and see the artist make him impact with what you believe in. You see what him put out and believe in the product, right? And then when you believe in the product, you allow the product to market itself. It doesn't go like that. All of my songs them were basically deliver. No engine never there behind it. It just do it itself.
Had more success, he says, linking up with a rising crop of DJs called YGF and later signing Kraft.
Make you all world see it.
But then he had a health scare.
So there was a polyp on my larynx, like my vocal cord. We have to go foreign now and get rid of that. So we have to do a surgery and it take a process for the voice to come back.
A song called Recover, speaking to all that. His latest, Raw Truth, not he insists about taking aim at anyone.
That track that I did was basically a summary from a particular time in my career to where I am at, basically. You can't give up on yourself. Me put it in pen and paper for make a youth know, say, yo, there's gonna be obstacles. Nobody never tell you, say when you left school, if you got to an artist. In all that been said in the song, me no regret nothing, you know, because it mold me into the person that I am today. Sometimes you have to make the necessary sacrifice. In the song, it's not a blame game. It is documenting what transpired from my perspective.
You think people whose names were mentioned would agree with your account of what went down?
If a man believes there's a different side to a story from film side, him need to come and talk. It's neither here nor there for me. It's my side of the story, you know. What me realize now is that truth become controversy now, because I never knew that before I write the song. I just think I'm telling my truth. The pushback it makes some vloggers go post because they must say, yo, some man has said this, some man has said that. The pushback work, you don't want everybody just to praise you, know. 48 laws of power, man, you need some enemy to man.
And there are those people who will say this was what it was all about in the first place, people talking about you.
The fans want to fight for you, so you have to fight for yourself. And when the fans then see you fight for yourself, they will fight for you. I say it.
You took some artistic license with it, or all of this is the unvarnished truth?
It's unvarnished, truth, raw truth as it gets. Point out a part, let me tell you.
Sabotage.
We live that in our industry, it's an unforgiving industry. We live that every day.
Money paid.
If somebody owe you, just know so them owe you. It's facts. If basically me and you in a conversation about a particular business, and me put money in your hand to deal with a particular business, and then the communication go mute, then basically it is what it is.
So the expected returns didn't materialize?
Nothing never materialized. And the money was placed in your hand.
No post on the page.
Facts again, the manager now represent the artist.
Raw truth might be the truth, but it's also designed to appeal to the internet, to social media.
I would say designed from a true place, from a real place, from deep Jahi perspective. That's why I say I'm a truth, I'm a lie, I'm a day, I'm a night, I'm a life. Me not add to it, me not take off of it. Me just start the raw truth. It's an unforgiving truth too. My career basically set a sail on a good note. Me just say the reaction, everything, it just give me back this hunger, this drive, this tenacity to push forward, because the whole of the fans them out right now.
And your price has gone up.
Always. Always, it up, right now it up.
No, I'm serious. Right now, if you were to do a dub plate, if you were to drop something for somebody, you'd be asking some more money.
Yeah man, the price definitely gone up. We can't go around that. The price gone.
Deep Joy's album Diary of a King, timed to drop soon.
We know, say, Deep Jahi capability is not normal. I know some regular artists did. We know that. Jamaica know that. So now we have to put it in perspective and put it to the table. And that is what we're doing. And we make a step by showing the people themselves we have Venom.